Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best high chair cushion is probably one of the most underrated baby gear items, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of high chair cushions, exploring why they're a must-have for every parent. From keeping your little one comfy during mealtime to making cleanup a breeze, we'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect cushion for your needs. Number 5. Sumersault Gray Chevron High Chair Pad. Keep your little one comfortable with this Sumersault high chair pad. It's made of soft, 100% polyester in a stylish gray and white chevron pattern. This pad will keep your baby cozy. This high chair pad measures 20 inches by 37 inches and is designed to fit most high chairs. It includes side ties to secure it to the chair, preventing any slipping. Plus, it has openings for the harness. The attractive gray chevron pattern will match almost any high chair. This gender-neutral design makes it a great replacement cushion for your high chair. Made from 100% polyester, this pad is easy to wash after meals. It is designed to keep your little one cozy and your high chair protected. Looking for a practical gift? This replacement cushion is a great choice. It's a thoughtful and useful gift for any parent. What we like? This high chair pad features an attractive gray chevron pattern, making it a stylish addition to any high chair. It is also easy to wash, ensuring a clean and hygienic space for your little one. If you are looking for a replacement cushion that combines style and practicality, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect fit for my baby trend high chair. This replacement chair pad fits great on the baby trend high chair. The gray chevron pattern goes well with my dining furniture. The chair pad is put together well. It has a nice padding to it. The slits for the high chair straps were perfect. This was the perfect cover for my Graco high chair. My old cover was falling apart after multiple kids, and this one fits great. It also washes well. Number 4. IKEA Antilop High Chair Cushion, Flags. This cushion is specifically designed for the IKEA Antilop high chair. It also fits most restaurant wooden chairs. It's the perfect way to make mealtime more comfortable for your little one. This cushion provides soft and comfortable support for infants, toddlers, and babies. It helps them sit comfortably during meals, making the experience more enjoyable for everyone. The set includes an inflatable cushion insert. This adds extra comfort and support. It's easy to inflate and provides a great base for the cover. The cover is easy to wipe clean, and it's also machine washable. This makes it simple to keep clean after messy mealtimes. It's made of 100% polyester. The cover is made from 100% polyester, and the cushion is made from 100% new PVC. These materials are durable and easy to maintain, ensuring the product lasts. What we like? This cushion includes an inflatable insert, providing extra comfort and support for your baby. The cover is easy to wipe clean, making mealtime cleanups a breeze. If you have an IKEA Antilop high chair and want a comfortable and easy-to-clean solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits the IKEA high chair well, very affordable, and not only does it come with the cover, but it also comes with the blow-up pillow. Cover is really nice. Once my kid gets food all over it, I just rinsed it with water and comes right off, bow stains. Looks like it does in pictures, makes a snug fit so that baby doesn't wiggle around while they're eating something, important when BLW. Easy to clean with soap and water, no serious stains that don't come off. I tried using just the inflatable and it was actually more of a mess to clean up, so now I just stick with both. As my girl who is 9mo now gets bigger, I can deflate it. This fits in my IKEA high chair perfectly. The inflatable inside took me 2 minutes to blow up, then the outside cover zips over it. As seen in photos, there are little straps to thread the buckles through as well. My daughter is 4 months and loves sitting up but is a little wobbly still. This keeps her propped and stops her from banging her head backwards on the plastic headrest. Update: used this from 4 to 8 months, worked perfectly the whole time. Is now in storage to be used for our second one. Number 3. Stokke Clikk Cushion, Disney Lion King. Introducing the Stokke Clikk Cushion, designed for your little one. This cushion is made to provide comfort and support for babies and toddlers. It offers extra support for babies learning to sit. The structured seam gives them the back and side support they need to sit upright. The reversible cushion is easy to clean. One side has a water-repellent coating, and the organic cotton is machine washable. Parents will find it easy to attach and remove. This makes it simple to wash and maintain for everyday use. This cushion is designed to fit the Clikk high chair. The chair itself is easy to wipe clean, and the tray is dishwasher safe. Stokke has been creating children's products since 1972. They are designed to support healthy development and nurture family bonding. What we like. This cushion provides extra support for babies learning to sit, with a structured design for back and side support. The organic cotton material is soft and machine washable. If you like a cushion that is easy to clean and offers great support, you should consider this one. What people say. The cushion is easy to clean. The high chair cushion is well made and fits perfectly. It's a great product that is easy to install. Number 2. Lomgwumy high chair cushion for IKEA Antilop. This cushion is designed specifically for IKEA Antilop high chairs. It provides a comfortable and safe seating experience for your baby. Made with high-quality Oxford cloth and a food-grade silicone inflatable inner lining, it's safe and skin-friendly. Your baby will feel comfortable while using it. The cushion has a protective design on both sides for better wrapping. The detachable inflatable lining makes it easy to carry, store, and use. Simply remove the cover and clean it. It's much easier to clean than traditional cotton cushions. Plus, it's double-sided for added convenience. Featuring a cute gray stripe pattern, this cushion adds a touch of charm to your high chair. The design is sure to appeal to your baby. Please note that this cushion is only suitable for IKEA Antilop high chairs and wooden high chairs. Make sure it fits your high chair before purchasing. What we like. This high chair cushion features an inflatable inner lining for added comfort, and the cover is easy to remove and clean. The cute gray stripe pattern adds a touch of fun to your baby's high chair. If you want a comfortable and easy to clean cushion with a cute design, you should consider this one. What people say. It was easy to set up and wipes clean so easily. It's an inflatable pillow with a cover on it which makes it nice and puffy and fills out a restaurant high chair perfectly. The best part is that it's really easy to clean. Number 1. Mealtime high chair cushion. This high chair seat cushion provides soft and supportive padding. It ensures a cozy and comfortable dining experience for your baby every time. They will love it. Made with water-resistant, wipeable fabric, this cover makes cleaning up after meals a breeze. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth and warm, soapy water. It's that easy. Compatible with 3- and 5-point harnesses, this cushion keeps babies safe and secure. It's also easy to install and remove, making setup quick and effortless. The design is very thoughtful. Made from premium quality, durable materials, this cushion is built to last. The cute gray pattern adds a modern touch to any room. It is also BPA and phthalate-free. This Mealtime high chair cushion is the perfect choice for parents. It provides quality and comfort for your little ones at mealtimes. This cushion fulfills all the requirements for baby comfort and support. What we like. This high chair cushion provides comfortable padding and is made with wipeable fabric for easy cleaning. It is also designed for easy installation and removal. If you are looking for a cushion that prioritizes comfort and convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. This product is easy to clean as it has a plastic cover over the cushion, and its design fits my wooden high chair. This seems to be well made and very easy to clean. It fit perfectly in my old wooden high chair. It works well in the generic wooden high chairs found at most restaurants. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.